Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add release conditions to Dropbox assignment in D2L Brightspace. This feature helps tailor assignment assess to individual students or learning paths. Navigate to Assessment, Dropbox. Here you'll want to click on New Folder. Here you will give your assignment a title. Look over, you see availability dates and conditions. Our start date, then we want to click on Add Release Condition. You'll see a list of condition types. For your example, you could release this assignment only to students who are part of a specific group or who have viewed a certain module. Once you've chosen your condition, click Create and then save your assignment. And that's it. Release conditions give you more control and flexibility in your course design. Thanks for watching.